It's Monday the 11th, about 1:40 in the afternoon. We're in Pinellas County, the west side of Pinellas County. We're nearing Gulf Boulevard and Indian Rocks Beach. You'll see that the power is out, so most people other than April are stopping at the stoplights, four-way stop type deal. So I mean, just some little stuff down, kind of like your standard spring storm. Nope, got something down over there.
Some fences, some trees.
Still got people boarded up, but people starting to walk around. See some signs bent, a little bent. I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen here. Looks like there's some cops up in front of us. Don't turn around. This might be... I am seeing somebody go through, or maybe they're... Maybe they're not going through, maybe they were going to the right. So this might be a long wait. I'm going to have to pick up here. Yeah, that person looks like they're going through. So probably have to show proof that you live on the island, and they'll let you on. But we'll see. Maybe not. Either way, we need to get the scoop of how long it's going to be before we can go home or check on our place.